Good morning, class. Today we are going to be learning about a 10 frame, but before we get started talking about that, I just want to do a few addition flashcards so you can prove to me how confident you are on them. So we'll just flip through a couple.
8.
Very good.
9. 4. 5.
Wonderful.
11. 12.
Yep.
3. 10.
And one more.
4.
4. Wonderful. You seem to be very good at math facts and that you have a good understanding of what they are. Like I said before, today we are going to be learning about 10 frames and how we're going to use them to add. This is a board and it's called a 10 frame mat. And let's count these spaces together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Exactly. There are 10. That's how it gets its name, the 10 frame. So to get a little bit more familiar with this, we are going to split into 2 groups. So one group, I'm going to give you a 10 frame mat, and you are going to put 8 blue counters on the 1 10 frame mat. And then on the second one, the second group is going to put 4 white and black counters on that one. So I'm going to have you do that. What do you notice about both of these 10 frames? What do you notice about them? What do you notice about them?
The one has 8 counters, the other has 4.
The one has 8 counters and the other one has 4. But what did we talk about? How many spaces does each 10 frame mat have?
10.
It has 10. So both these mats are not what?
Full.
Full. They're not completely full. They have some empty spaces. So we are going to try to make them full. How many empty spots are there?
Which one?
For the blue one.
2.
And how many empty spots are for this one?
6.
There are 6. What would be the most effective way to combine our counters on a 10 frame mat? Would it be smart to move 6 from here over to here, or would it be smart to move all 4 over here?
All 4 or just 2?
The 4.
The 4?
The 4.
Okay.
We are going to move these 4 counters over here. But how many open spots are there?
Only 2.
There are only 2. So we have 9, 10, and then we have 2 leftovers. So, what do you notice now?
There are too many spots for the 10 frame.
There are too many spots. There are too many spots. So we have a full 10 frame plus 2 more, which is how much?
12.
12. So we have 12 total counters. Absolutely. Let's do another one. One group is going to put 9 on that board, and the other one is going to put 5 on this one. All right. So, how are we going to add these together? How are we going to make one completely full 10 frame?
Take one of the black circles and put it on the blue 10 frame.
Take one of the black ones and put it on the blue. Absolutely. So now we have one completely full 10 frame with all 10 spaces filled in, and 1, 2, 3, 4 extra black ones. So how much do we have total?
14.
14. Absolutely. Now I think that you are getting the hang of this pretty well and you know what you're doing. So while I'm here with you right now, I'm going to pass each of you out this sheet. And on it, I really encourage you to use the 10 frames because that's a skill we're learning. So it gives you the math fact. So this one would be 4 plus 6. But I want you to really, really, really use the 10 frame as well, so you would fill that in. If you would like to do it first on here and then just put your answer on here, that is perfectly fine. So I will be around to check on you and see how you're doing. You did a fantastic job with that worksheet. Now we're going to switch centers, and if you have any more questions, you can stay here with me and we can meet, or we can rotate around. So the next center you'll be going to is you will work on page 78A in your workbook, or you could move to 10 frames, but you need to make sure you do both today, so you need to use your time wisely. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can stay here. Okay, go ahead and move.